envision the future of entrepreneurship in Pakistan specifically in the coming years?
So I've worked in the startup or entrepreneurial ecosystem for more than a decade. And I think that as a very, from a non-existent to a nascent ecosystem, I think we've covered the journey pretty fast. If we compare ourselves to, bigger ecosystems like the Silicon Valley. So humne, I think we've done good work. But again, the challenges are there because of course, अभी हमने भी जो बात की बहुत सारा brain drain है. And one of the success factors for startups is quality founders. So they're linked. So we need to create, I think, an enabling environment for startups. Regulatory framework में बहुत challenges हैं, and because of the regulatory challenges, a lot of startups are then choosing to just move to easier geographies. So that has to change if we want to really see for this ecosystem to thrive. And we know कि जब तक आप entrepreneurial stream को strengthen नहीं करेंगे, economy उस तरह से thrive नहीं कर सकती. Have to strengthen not just startup but also small businesses, SMEs, tier 2 and 3 local circle जो local economies को stimulate कर सके और jobs create कर सके. एक बिजनेस जो 5 जॉब्स क्रिएट करे, एक बिजनेस जो 50 कर रहा है, एक बिजनेस जो 500 कर रहा है, और जो बहुत बड़े हैं वो उससे भी बड़े लेवल पे जाएं. एंड दैट्स वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. एंड उसके लिए we need more stability politically, we need more enabling and regulatory environment.
There's been extreme growth. I would rather use that term because जब मैं job market में when I entered, startups वाला concept बहुत कम था. ज़्यादातर लोगों की approach ये होती थी कि you want to go into the corporate sector, get a job and follow that routine. But now incubation centers, universities के अपने बन चुके हैं. बहरिया का है, NUST का है. Then you have your national incubation center there as well. And सबसे अच्छी बात जो ये हुई है वो ये कि जो international investors हैं उनका जो startups here have started getting their attention.
मुझे लगता है कि बहुत स्टार्टअप्स इस पिछले 2.5 से 3 साल के दौरान में बने भी हैं और ख़त्म भी हुए हैं. और उसकी यही वजह है कि हमें एक ऑर्गेनाइज्ड जो है ना एंटिटी चाहिए. एंड दैट सपोर्ट हैज़ टू कम फ्रॉम द बिगर सोर्स, ताकि इन ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस को स्मॉल क्लस्टर्स या छोटी जगहों पे जाके फिक्र ना करनी पड़े. कोई एक ऐसी एंटिटी हो जो सब चीज़ को ऑर्गेनाइज करे. और मुझे ये लगता है कि एनवायरनमेंट स्टार्टअप्स के लिए वर्क लाइफ बहुत अच्छा है. काम बहुत है. तो मेरा तो ऐसे कह रही थी जॉब्स शायद इस पूरी कॉम के लिए अवेलेबल ना हो, बट दे विल ऑलवेज बी वर्क. There will always be ideas that you can put into a business or a startup. Of course. And then you can not just only make your own money, but you're employing others. Yes. So imagine the kind of support you're giving the economy. So I think the government needs to also have an interest towards that side. Although I think a lot of the interest is moving there already, but we can hope and pray for the best, because I think we do need an organized effort. Yes.
240 million people. Amazing human resource strength given to it. No matter how many you open up businesses, business is going to flourish if channelized flow. Imagine 240 million people. In Pakistan, at the moment, we need every kind of product. Every kind of project should come into Pakistan. It will create opportunities, jobs, economy, homes. After that, we will start channelizing.
Yes.
This is what we need to do. And it is as simple as Pakistan now. Is what Pakistan is at a stage where Pakistan is lonely. Loneliness.
Bilkul.
Now the next state comes the solitude. Pakistan has to move from loneliness to solitude, and then boom, you move on.
Absolutely.
That's what we need to do. But people need honesty.
In the end, we extend our sincere gratitude to all of our distinguished panelists for their time and invaluable insights shared with our youth. Your experiences will undoubtedly inspire our young minds to prioritize national service and contribute to their country upon completing their education. It has been an absolute honor to have all of you here. Ladies and gentlemen, we bid you farewell until next year, when we meet again for our next Azadi transmission to celebrate our freedom and national pride.
वतन के जानसार हैं, वतन के काम आएंगे। हम इस ज़मीं को एक रोज़ आसमां बनाएंगे।
And Pakistan Zindabad.
Beacon House Old Student Society, POS, building a community together.